I like the effort you put into every chew. You really.
So good.
We're here at Calabash Bistro and trying stuff with these students here. And they're chef, Red Seal chef people. It's a little bit of a journey to get here through some interesting parts of East Vancouver. This is the Jamaican fried chicken.
It's not fried chicken.
It's not fried chicken.
It's
It's Jamaican fried fish.
It's fish curry.
It's fish.
Yeah, Jamaican fried fish. So we're gonna like bang this out here. Ugh. That sound is what Matt really likes. Ugh. And I don't like salad, so I'm not gonna eat it.
Great.
Matt, what did you get?
I got pork belly with coconut dumplings. I've had it like 10 times before. It's the only thing that I get. It's delicious.
I haven't asked him to try it, but I'm going to.
It's entirely too much food.
I like my Mark Wiens.
Some Jamaican meat patties. One of them actually has a vegetarian stuffing. One has a beef stuffing with a nice chutney going on the side. Over here we have coconut fritters with a nice mango butter. So it's like a compound butter, which is really cool. And then we have a fusion cuisine that is a Canadian and Jamaican, which is a jerk chicken poutine.
It's good, but truthfully, I don't think you need to get fish. I feel like the fish is a little lost here. I think I prefer it with a stronger protein though. Chicken, pork, beef.
Jerk chicken from Jamaica, the fried plantains with a nice slaw on the side with wild rice. Pretty nice dish. Usually what you would expect from Jamaica. So we have fried plantains, a nice slaw with some pineapple and parsley. And we have wild rice that goes along with it. It's a pretty good dish.
I like the effort you put into every chew. You really.
So good.
Actually, I'm gonna try yours.
I've never tried.
It's called Jamaican fish fry, by the way.
Yeah, I don't know. Jerk fish fry, I think. It's not Jamaican.
What'd you call me?
You said Calabash pizza?
Calabash Pizza Bistro. Calabash Bistro.
I don't think that's correct.
We're good.